এটা হচ্ছে summer fruit porridge. ভেতরেটা দেখাই। I'm opening with one hand, so yes, this is the summer fruit porridge, and it smells very fruity.